Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into one of life's most incredible journeys, the journey of pregnancy. We'll take you through the step-by-step development of your baby, from conception to birth. Whether you're an expecting parent or just curious about this amazing process, this video is for you. It all begins with conception, the moment when a sperm cell fertilizes an egg. This single-celled zygote contains all the genetic information to create a unique human being. Within days, the zygote divides into multiple cells, forming a blastocyst that implants itself into the uterus. This marks the start of your baby's miraculous development. From week 3 to week 8, your baby is officially an embryo. During this time, the heart starts beating around week 5, and by week 6, the brain, spinal cord, and other vital organs begin to form. Limbs start to bud, and by week 8, your baby is about the size of a kidney bean, but already has the foundation of a tiny human body. By week 9, your baby enters the fetal stage. This is when rapid growth kicks in. Fingernails, toenails, and even tiny tooth buds start to appear. By the end of week 12, your baby's organs are fully formed, and they can even move their little hands and legs, although you may not feel it yet. The second trimester is often called the honeymoon phase of pregnancy because many moms feel their best. Around week 16, you might feel your baby's first movements, known as quickening. By week 20, your baby has developed fingerprints and they can even hear your voice. This is also the stage where doctors can determine the baby's gender through an ultrasound. In the third trimester, your baby is growing rapidly and preparing for life outside the womb. By week 30, their brain activity increases, and they can open and close their eyes. By week 37, your baby is considered full term. From this point, they're just gaining weight and getting ready for their big debut. And then, it all leads to the final stage, labor and delivery. Your baby, who started as a single cell, has now grown into a beautiful human being, ready to meet the world. Every step of this journey is nothing short of miraculous. Pregnancy is truly a remarkable journey, full of challenges, growth, and unforgettable moments. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might benefit from it, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing content about parenting, health, and wellness. Thank you for joining us on this journey through pregnancy. Until next time.